Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're diving into the latest update on how to share a highlight link on Instagram using your PC. This is a straightforward process that allows you to easily share your favorite stories with friends or followers. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, head over to the profile that contains the highlight you wish to share. You can do this by either searching for the username in the search bar or clicking on their profile if it appears in your feed. Once you're on their profile page, look just under their bio section. Here, you'll find the highlights displayed as circular icons. Click on the highlight that interests you. This will open up a collection of stories saved within that highlight. Now, let's access the link. When the story opens, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a URL that links directly to this specific story. To copy this link, right-click anywhere in the address bar and select Copy from the drop-down menu. This action saves the link to your clipboard. With the link copied, you can now share it wherever you'd like, whether it's in a direct message, an email, or even on another social media platform. Simply right-click in your desired location and select Paste to share the link with others. And there you have it. Sharing a highlight link on Instagram from your PC is quick and easy. Remember, this feature is perfect for directing friends to memorable moments or important updates shared through highlights. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using social media effectively. Happy sharing!